Hi, I'm Marna, and today we're going to work on tiny Chatty baby's hair. Previously, we recorded this. This little doll I bought so that I could cut her hair off and learn to reroot hair. But I read on a doll site where they take oil and they put that in the hair, baby oil or whatever oil, and they leave that sit overnight. And then they take a blow dryer on a low setting and use a nylon stocking or netting to brush out the hair. Now, I don't really care about her hair, but that would be kind of fun to try. So I think that's my next project. So I took, I actually use Skin So Soft because I use it on myself, oil, and I sprayed the doll's hair and I worked it in, and I could not believe the immediate difference in this doll's hair. This doll's hair, when she came, was not only kinky, I mean kinky hair, it was also a bit knotted. And I took that oil and I rubbed it on her face. As you can see, it's still shiny, but also her arms and her legs. The plastic just soaked that in, much like a person's dry skin would. And this doll is actually looking better for the oil treatment. And I'm going to take her over and wash her hair and face, and then we're going to turn on the dryer and try the pantyhose. Let's give it a go. I am carefully washing this doll's hair with some mild shampoo and very cool water so that I don't fry it any further, the hair that is. And then I'm going to get the oil off her face, or attempt to. And, oh, that's kind of a lot. And then we'll start the drying process and see what we've got. I have horses, so I'm going to do the horse trick. With horses, you can take a rope and tie it and use that to shed them out. So since I don't know exactly what I'm doing here, I'm going to try a couple things. I don't know. I'm sure you could use an old pair, but I got these on clearance for like $1/4. So here maybe I'll give it a little something here. Ooh, seems dry again. I don't know. Here we go. On cool, on low. And how I'm going to do this with just 2 hands, I have no idea. I need one of those little seats, and I don't know how loud I should talk with this going. So this is kind of an experiment here. And she's falling forward. Yeah, this is different. I definitely need one of those chairs where you strap them in and do their hair. Let me turn this off and we'll come back. I promise you this is the same doll. I am amazed. I want to know who the person was who said, "Man, these pantyhose are giving me a lot of static electricity. I have an idea. Let's see if it takes the kink out of the doll's hair." But anyway, this is amazing to me. Is it perfect? No. I'm thinking about giving this doll another go. I never saw a doll's hair as kinky as this one had become, knowing how fine and straight tiny Chatty baby's hair is to begin with. Thank you for watching. Please give us a like and come back and see her after she has a paint job and some clothes on.